Hey guys and girls. Welcome to Refresh Gears. Enjoy the real discount. Today we have come up with an Chromebook. This is an awesome Chromebook. It's a HP G2E 360 rotating touchscreen Chromebook discounted price. Check price in description. What are you waiting for? We have limited stock. Just go to our website refreshgears.com and order it now. You can also drop a message on our WhatsApp number +9 6878617 We deliver for free anywhere in Oman with cash on delivery payment. Yes, you heard it right. Collect your item at your doorstep and then pay cash. We also provide 15 days of warranty on used laptops.